This is a very special edition of Junkie Jam Live. I welcome my good friend, world-renowned, site-specific, multidisciplinary, and installation artist Abigail DeVille to tell us all about her latest site-specific installation right here in Madison Square Park, New York City.
I started thinking about, well, what potentially could respond to the moment that we were in, thinking about June 2020 and the racial reckoning that was going on with all of the protests around George Floyd and Breonna Taylor. The critical reception or the public reception to the piece has been really wonderful. People have had lots of conversations about the meaning of public sculptures and then also rethinking what do we actually understand about the Statue of Liberty as it exists as an American icon. Works are so layered and they mean different things at different times to different people. The original intentions of Bartoli having it as a sculpture that could address or celebrate the abolition of slavery here in the United States. She has on some sandals and she's stepping on a shackle. You got me slipping and sliding on here.
Did you know my friend did this? You don't care, do you?